Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer Google Photos from one account to another without downloading anything manually. If you find this useful, make sure to like and subscribe. So let's get started. First, open Google Photos and select the images you want to move. To select all photos, click the first image, scroll to the bottom, hold the Shift key, and click the last image. Next, tap the Share icon and create a shareable link. Copy that link and paste it in a new browser where you're logged into your second Google account. As you can see, the second Google Photos account will open. Once the photos appear, click the Save button here, and all the images will be added to your second Google Photos account. After that, you can safely delete the photos from the first account. And don't worry, they'll stay in the second one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.